To another Excel tutorial, and today we'll be diving deep into the topic Flash Fill and AutoFill. Whether you're a spreadsheet beginner or a professional, these tools will turbocharge your data manipulation game. And if you're a Mac user like me, kindly stick around because I'll be sharing some handy shortcuts along the way. So first of all, we're talking about Flash Fill. What is Flash Fill? Flash Fill automatically extracts, combines, or formats data based on patterns it detects. It's just like magic, and here's how you can use it. So we have a data of some email address, a random email address. So imagine if you're working with millions of data and you've been assigned with a task to extract the names of this email address into another column. Here's how you do it. So first of all, Flash Fill detects the patterns from previous data. So first of all, you type the first two names, you type the second name. So now, in order to do a Flash Fill, you highlight the cells down, then you come over the Home tab. You look for this little arrow, then you click on a Flash Fill. You see, it automatically highlights the first name and the surname from this particular column into this cell. You see, Scarlet White, Brown Sugar, Fred Jones, Trisha Light, Don Newman, Bobby Grant, Heavyweight, just like that. So it makes your work easier and also faster. So now let's move on to the second feature, which is autofill. This feature is perfect for when you want to quickly generate a series of data or fill in a particular pattern. In a series of data, say 1, 2, highlight this one, and we'll drag this down to maybe wherever I want to stop, say 10, and to give us the series for that particular data. Okay? So now, imagine if you want to generate a sequence of dates. Here's how you're going to do it. So we'll fill in the first dates. Today is 09/08/2023 and 10/08/2023. So we highlight the both of them and then we drag it to wherever we want it to stop. So you see 10. So you see 10, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, just like that. That's how autofill works. Also, you can just fill in the first date. And if you want it to give you a series, see, drag it and drag. Still the same thing. Let's say you want to fill in a particular number, 5, 5. Just highlight, drag it down, voila. Okay, so that's how autofill works. And there you have it, guys. You are now equipped with the knowledge to wield the mighty powers of Flash Fill and AutoFill in Excel. So whether you're on Windows or Mac, these tools will undoubtedly boost your productivity and make your data manipulation task a breeze. Go ahead, give them a spin and let Excel do the heavy lifting for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Excel wizardry and other Microsoft apps wizardry, and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop. Until next time, happy excelling. Bye.